Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce the foldable playpen for babies and toddlers, a versatile and spacious play area designed to make parenting a little easier. Measuring 71 inches long, 59 inches wide, and 27 inches high, this extra-large playpen provides ample room for your little one to play, crawl, and explore, while also accommodating family time together. Its easy foldable design, connected with stainless steel pipes and ABS joints, allows for quick assembly and disassembly by just one person, making it perfect for busy parents on the go. Safety is a top priority, and this playpen's sturdy frame and 4 handles ensure stability and security, while the included 50 ocean balls add an element of fun and sensory stimulation. Whether you're setting it up indoors or outdoors, this playpen offers a secure and convenient space for your child to enjoy, from the living room to the garden or even the beach. And with Pawtners' commitment to excellent customer service, you can rest assured that any questions or concerns will be promptly addressed by their friendly 24/7 online support team. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.